CING stock is printing yet more gains in this session of today, the 16th of August 2024. This is on top of the gains of the previous session. As you can see, up 272.92% in this post-market session of today, the 16th of August 2024. So the company indicated that it got a European patent for its drug that is for the treatment of ADHD. It also announced that it's offering up to 6.6 million shares of selling stockholders. So amongst other things, I think I'm suspecting that maybe there's a good chance that this may be a case of a pump and dump. It may be a case of a pump and dump, even though it's holding up for a second straight session now. It's holding up. Indeed, in the next session, it might still hold up. It might still even pitch high. It might still print higher prices. But it's the fact that selling stockholders, their shares have been offered. They are, that is, it's through warrants. There's a good chance that it's been pumped up. Maybe to for reasons that I really can't say for sure. But it just rings a bell. It's a bit it just rings a bell. So in any case, it was definitely one of the most active stocks in this session. Yesterday was equally over close to 100 million shares across the tape. Meanwhile, the average for the stock is around 68,000 shares. Okay, so given that it's trading right outside of its price channel on this 4-hour chart, expect that it will come back at some point. It will come back into this price channel. Maybe not in the next trading session. It may take some time before it comes back into this price channel. And the upper line of this price channel is around $12.6. And but we also have on its 45-minute chart, it's trading slightly below all of its moving average, all of its Fibonacci projections. So we have just slightly above where it is right now in this post-market session is 18.17. Is that where it is? 18.17. Okay, it's currently just slightly around 17.99. Okay, and then above that we have 19.17. It has equally printed these prices intraday. 19.5. And the projections go all the way towards, let's see the next one, 19.74, 19.93, 19.93. We can actually get the price here. $19.75, 19.93. Okay, got that. And then we have here 20.35, and even higher prices, even higher, 21.69. Yeah, so there's a good chance that it will definitely pull back. If you want to compute the statistics, the probability that it will pull back, especially into its price channel on this 4-hour chart, you will get what you want. You get if you expect to see something, if you expect to see a very high percent probability that it will pull back, you're definitely going to see that if you try and compute that probability. Certainly, I wouldn't say certainly, but the chance of it pulling back is very high. And as I mentioned earlier on, selling stockholders are going to exercise their warrants to sell up to 6.6 million shares. So there's a good chance it may have been pumped up. So if you want to get involved, by all means do whatever you have to do if you really want to get involved. But I'm not going to say don't buy or anything like that. So I'm just pointing out what is likely to be the case. What is likely to be the case, which is that it may have been pumped up. Especially the fact that certain stockholders are exercising their rights to sell up to 6.6 million shares. So let's see what's going on the daily chart and see what's going on right now live on the stock. Okay. So this is the 1 minute, the 1 minute chart. It's trying to break through its the upper line of its price channel. Yeah. So in any case, have a look and see what you make of CING stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.